Imagine checking your bank account and seeing just $100 sitting there. For most people, that's disappointing. It doesn't feel like enough to invest. It doesn't feel like enough to build wealth. And honestly, it can make you wonder if getting ahead financially is even possible. Every day, social media is filled with stories about people turning thousands of dollars into millions through crypto, trading, or some secret investment strategy. After seeing enough of those videos, it's easy to believe that building wealth requires a lot of money from the very beginning. But that's one of the biggest financial myths out there. Here's what most people don't realize. Your first $100 isn't valuable because of what it can buy. It's valuable because of the habit it can create. And that habit has the potential to completely change your financial future. Today, I'm going to show you why starting with just $100 is more powerful than most people think and how ordinary people slowly build real wealth over time. The first truth, let's start with something that might surprise you. Wealth isn't built by making one perfect investment. It's built by making hundreds of small decisions that point in the same direction. Think about planting a tree. The seed looks tiny, almost insignificant. If you looked at it after 1 week, you might think nothing is happening. But beneath the surface, roots are growing. Money works the same way. When you invest your first $100, you're not buying wealth. You're planting the first seed. Step 1. Protect your first $100. Most people treat unexpected money like free money. They receive a bonus, a tax refund, a birthday gift, and within days, it's gone. The problem isn't the amount. The problem is the habit. Instead of asking, "What can I buy with this?" start asking, "How can this money start working for me?" That small change in thinking is where wealth begins. Your first investment isn't about making huge returns. It's about proving to yourself that you can become someone who invests consistently. Step to build the habit, not the balance. Here's something interesting. Most people focus on how much they're investing. Successful investors focus on how often they invest. Imagine investing just $100 every month. At first, it doesn't look impressive. Your portfolio barely changes. You might even feel like you're wasting your time. But consistency has a hidden superpower. Every month, you're strengthening the habit. You're teaching yourself to prioritize your future over today's impulses. Eventually, investing becomes automatic. And once a good financial habit becomes automatic, it stops feeling like a sacrifice. That's when real progress begins. Step 3. Let time do the hard work. This is where many people become impatient. They expect dramatic results after a few months. But wealth doesn't grow in a straight line. It grows slowly. Then suddenly, as your investments earn returns, those returns begin earning returns too. That's the power of compounding. It's like rolling a small snowball down a hill. At first, it barely grows. But as it keeps rolling, it becomes larger and larger without much extra effort. The same thing happens with your investments. Time becomes your greatest asset. A simple example: imagine two people. The first person waits until they have $10,000 before investing. The second person starts today with just $100 and continues adding a little every month. Who do you think develops better financial habits? Who becomes more comfortable investing? Who stays consistent during market ups and downs? In many cases, it's the person who started small. Because wealth isn't only about money, it's about behavior. Final message: here's the truth. Your first $100 won't make you financially free, but it can make you financially different. Every wealthy investor had a first investment. Every large portfolio started small. Every successful financial journey began with a single decision. The goal isn't to impress people tomorrow. The goal is to build a future that you'll be proud of years from now. Because 5 years from today will arrive whether you invest or not. The only question is this: when that day comes, will you wish you had started with your first $100 today? If this video helped you see money a little differently, consider subscribing for more simple lessons about building wealth. And I'd love to hear from you. If someone gave you $100 today, what would you do with it? Let me know in the comments below.